Today's rule is about converting between fractions, decimals, and percentages. To turn a fraction into a decimal, you divide the top number by the bottom number. Then, to turn that decimal into a percentage, you multiply by 100. So the full chain is fraction becomes decimal by dividing, becomes percentage by multiplying by 100. Let's work through example 1. Convert 3 divided by 8 into a percentage. First we divide. 3 divided by 8 equals 0.375. Now we multiply by 100 since we want a percentage. 0.375 times 100 equals 37.5. So 3 divided by 8 equals 37.5%. Now example 2. Convert 65% into a fraction in simplest form. A percentage out of 100 is just that number over 100. So 65% equals 65 divided by 100. To simplify, we find the highest common factor of 65 and 100, which is 5. Dividing top and bottom by 5, 65 divided by 100 simplifies to 13 divided by 20. Here's a useful trick. Multiplying a decimal by 100 does not require long multiplication. It simply moves the decimal point 2 places to the right. For example, with 0.375, moving the point 2 places to the right gives 37.5, matching exactly what we calculated before. Now, a common trip-up. Learners sometimes multiply by 100 by just adding 2 zeros onto the end of the number, the way you would with a whole number. This works fine for whole numbers, but it silently fails for decimals. Adding zeros to 0.375 does nothing useful and does not give you the correct answer of 37.5. So here is a teaching tip. Instead of recalling times 100 as an abstract fact, picture the rule as a physical action. Watch the decimal point itself hop 2 spaces to the right. Trace that movement with your finger if you need to, point, jump, jump, and you will never lose track of where the decimal point should land.